Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play FIFA 14 on Xbox Series S Easy Guide. First, power on your Series S and sign into your Xbox account, then insert the disc or locate the digital title in your library. Adjust display and HDR settings, set game mode for low latency, and pair a controller. Test audio and aim sensitivity quickly to confirm everything feels right before starting a match. Warm up by customizing control settings to suit your rhythm, then tweak camera and feedback to see the full pitch. Change passing and shooting assistance according to skill level and test sliders in a practice match for balance. Set difficulty to a comfortable level and save these presets so they load each time. Small control tweaks can drastically improve gameplay and make matches feel smoother and more responsive for both offense and defense. If you're enjoying the tips so far, please subscribe and like if this guide is helpful to you. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, which keeps your space tidy while you game and frees up time for practice. It even hears voice commands while you focus on matches. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on core mechanics like passing, positioning, and timing rather than relying on flashy moves. Use short passes to build play, then exploit space with quick through balls or wing crosses. Defend with patience, contain runners, and use jockey to win possession cleanly. Adjust tactics mid-game to exploit opponent weaknesses and make timely substitutions to refresh energy. Practicing set pieces and penalties in training builds confidence for tight matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.